Hi everyone, in this video you would see me unboxing all the packs I bought today. I had $50 but I used like $20 of it or like $30 and I kept the rest for later, but whenever I want to buy something I'll surely update you guys. Now enjoy me unboxing. I bought the activity house, I bought so much more. First watch me buy some things. Alright, it's telling me to put my password, so I'm gonna put that now and not screen record. Then I'll show you the unboxing now.